Hello friends! Welcome to the example presentation for the Young Tagore contest. You can find more about the Young Tagore contest in the description below. I am Samrat and I study at Ryan International School, Sector 40, Gurugram. Let's watch a presentation by Serah Sebastian from Ryan Whitefield, Bengaluru. Her favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Over to Serah.
Hello everyone, I am Serah from Ryan International School, Kundanahalli. Are you all wondering why am I eating this chocolate? I love chocolates and my favorite book is also centered around chocolate. Well, it is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, written by Roald Dahl. I love this book. The descriptions are just spot on, and it makes us actually picture the scene in our mind. This book has two of my favorite things. One is chocolate and the other is adventure. It is very exciting to read. Roald Dahl is one of the most prolific of modern writers in English. He was a British novelist, short story writer, poet, screenwriter, and fighter pilot. He uses simple language, which is easy to understand. He is one of the most famous children's books author and has a large fan following among young readers. This story is about Charlie Bucket, who lives in the outskirts of town with his poor family. His family consists of his parents and all four grandparents. Charlie is an obedient boy and tries to help his parents every chance he gets. Every day on his way to school, Charlie passes the best and the biggest chocolate factory in the world, run by Willy Wonka. One day, Wonka announces that he has hidden 5 golden tickets in the Wonka bars with a prize of a 2 and a lifetime supply of Wonka products for each child who finds a ticket. The 4 tickets was won by Augustus, Veruca, Violet, and Mike. Charlie finds some money sticking out of his snowbag and buys himself 2 Wonka bars and finds a golden ticket in the second one. Yay! The 5 winners are greeted outside the factory by Willy Wonka. The inside of the chocolate factory is magical, and the workers are the tiny cocoa-loving Oompa Loompas rescued from the Loompa land by Wonka. The factory is fantastic. There are rooffuls of chocolates, and even the grass is edible and made of chocolate. Lots of hilarious incidents takes place inside the factory. Now, let me tell you a secret. Willy Wonka actually wants to make one of their kids the heir to his magical factory. Do you think our hero Charlie has a chance to win? What happens to the other kids? Well, read the book and find out. If you are wondering from where I got all these pictures from, this book has also been turned into a movie. But the book is way better than the movie. I strongly recommend this book because it is so much fun and takes us to a magical world of chocolate. Sometimes when I feel low, I think about the Oompa Loompas and their funny incidents. It always cheers me up. This book also teaches us that good behavior always leads to success and happiness. A chocolatey thank you. Bye.
Wow! This was interesting! I never thought there was a book about chocolate. What really impressed me was Sarah's passion for her book. Her presentation had a clean design and perfect storyline. We can easily make out she practiced her speech very well. Now it's your turn, friends. Get out there and make some amazing presentation for the Young Tagore contest. Friends, if you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like, comment or share. Thanks for watching. Bye.